struggle with the same simple questions. Where is my team? Are they willing and able to assist on the lot? Is all traffic being engaged and logged into my CRM? And are advertising dollars really making a difference in foot traffic? These small questions can add up to big consequences. In fact, the average dealer loses 35 to 40% of potential floor-ups simply because floor traffic isn't being logged. And what's the point of spending your hard-earned dollars on advertising if the traffic you already have isn't being properly managed? That's why you need LotWatch, an integrated dealer management tool that helps you sell and service more vehicles through smart, live, automated floor monitoring. Let's take a closer look at LotWatch in action. Getting sales reps to log floor traffic into your CRM is not easy. Reps tend to focus on just the customers in front of them, forgetting to complete their processing before moving on to the next one. With fewer logged customers, there's fewer leads for your dealership to follow up on. With its automated floor-up control system, LotWatch provides an exact count of your floor traffic, tracks and logs the sales team's activity, and alerts you in real time if there's an unassisted customer on the lot. A more accountable staff means more leads, more follow-ups, and ultimately more units sold. And with LotWatch's proactive alerts and activity reports available to you anytime, anywhere in real time, there's no more babysitting. You're able to focus on other things, like rolling out that new truck promotion. Don't forget, LotWatch can help with that as well. By analyzing traffic and sales behavior in your truck area, you can see how well or poorly your campaign is working. Over in the service department, LotWatch is working its magic too. Being able to track service advisor engagement, determine if an effective vehicle walk-around has been conducted, and monitor wait times ensures your service department is running like a well-oiled machine, as it should be. Finally, your dealership can achieve the growth it's really capable of, and you didn't even have to lift a finger. Well, maybe one. Please visit lotwatchanalytics.com for more information, or call 1-800-691-2895. LotWatch, Floor Traffic Analytics.